What's going on, y'all? What's going on, y'all? Test, test, test. Let me know how we sounding. Test, test, test. Let me see how we sounding, y'all. What's going on? All right, we sounding better than yesterday. I don't know what was going on with the mic yesterday. The signal was kind of bugged out. Like when we went live with the members yesterday during the news, it kind of glitched. But as soon as I started talking about it, sounding good and stuff, staticky stuff. We're gonna keep it pushing though. It is, what's today? What's today? It is Thursday already. It is Thursday, y'all. September 12th. London session just started. New 5 minute just popped up. Just dropped a new video yesterday for y'all. If y'all have not checked it out yet, make sure to check it out. Just drop that in the chat. All right, yesterday was a crazy, crazy day. It was some nice setups caught. We're going to break all that stuff down in a second. I'll wait for some more people hop up in here. Make sure to like the live, y'all. Make sure to hit that like button. I'm going to get into it. What's going on, Harvest? I see up in here. What you say here? What's a solid broker to US with a 1 to 5 average? There's no 1 to 5. There's no, in the US, they don't do that. That's just outside the US. So most US brokers don't do that. Most US brokers are like 1 to 20, 1 to 50, maybe 1 to 100. So you're not going to be able to find that in the US. But just because you can't do a 1 to 5 leverage doesn't mean you still can't make money. The 1 to 5 leverage, there's pros and cons to it, so don't think too hard about it. Because the 1 to 5 is how people blow their accounts like a day or 3 days at the same time. Because when you have a 1 to 5 leverage, you can literally risk like 98% of your account and be fine. I'm talking about you can do that in literally 1 day, 1 trade. Like they'll literally let you risk whatever you want until you blow your account or until you're about to blow your account. Versus in the US, not only is the brokerage regulated, which means it's backed up and your money's safe, but also they help protect you and discipline you as well, because you can't just do a reckless position and blow your account in one position. You get what I'm saying? So there's pros and cons to it. But again, I don't know if it was you, but someone asked me the same thing last week, not about the 1 to 500, but US broker. So I'll drop that video in the chat again. Like I said, the broker in this video, they changed their name to TastyFX, but you'll be able to find that when you look up the stuff and stuff like that. All right, y'all, we got a couple setups we're looking at, y'all. Those are just joined the stream. We have not entered anything yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free student room, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. And if y'all was in yesterday's live stream, y'all should have made some bread on GU, because not only did we break down and the sell setup, but we also entered it during yesterday's live stream. And then me and the members, we went live during the news, and we witnessed price literally take a dump to the downside. It was very satisfying to look at it and watch. Right? We also broke down a lot of things as well. So members, if you weren't in the live yesterday, the recording is uploaded. Like I said, I was having technical difficulties yesterday, so it's 2 parts instead of just 1 video, but it's titled. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure y'all can read and identify that stuff. So make sure to watch that. And we're going to be going live during today's news event as well. So again, looking at today, we got a couple news events popping off. 8:15, we got Euro news. 8:30, we got USD news. And 8:45, we got Euro news. All right, y'all. So right now, we're going to be looking at GJ and GU. Everything else, we're just going to kind of let it do its thing for right now. All right, y'all. If GU can hold 30.40 as resistance, we can look for sales going back down to 30.05 and possibly down to 29.70. That's what we're looking at right now. We got this huge GU sell yesterday. Nice 1 to 3, almost 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. So that means whatever we risk, we made almost 4 times that amount. So I risked $100, I would have made $360. If I risked $1,000, I would have made $3,600 off this one trade alone. I'm probably gonna do a trade breakdown for this, so be on the lookout for that. If not, this week, next week. All right, y'all. Make sure to like the live and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. All right, you guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We're looking at any charts. Drop in the chat. We got a new 15 about to pop up in about 3 minutes. We had a big news take place yesterday. We see some retracements going on, not just on the bigger time frames, but also on the smaller time frames. So again, we're just waiting for volume to kick in and our confirmations to be met. That's what we're waiting on right now. Because as we can see, after this huge dump made its way through New York session, the markets closed and reopened last night. You can see a clear difference in these candlesticks between these candlesticks. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Those that's just joining the stream, we have not entered anything yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join a free student room, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We're looking at your charts. Drop them in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting. We're going to see if we can hold this level right here. New 5 minute just popped up. Again, we're going to be looking for continued sales on GU. And if y'all haven't watched the Sunday chart analysis, make sure to check that out. Even though it is Thursday, like I always say, it doesn't just go over what I see price doing Sunday night going into Monday. It goes over what I see price doing throughout the entire week. And a lot of charts are already starting to go as projected and have been going as projected. Again, we're looking to see if GU can hold 30-40 as resistance. We hold 30-40 as resistance. We can look for sales going back down to 30.05 and possibly down to 29.70. All right, y'all. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free signal free Telegram. We're killing it this week so far. We're 2-1, went 2-0 last week. As far as how we ended August, we went 13-1, only taking one loss last month, giving us a 93% win rate, catching a total of 27,727 pips. You can see that by scrolling into September 3rd. You click over here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the month of August. Again, every day, every post is dated, time, documented, and literally every trade I take, not only do I break down in the Sunday chart analysis, but I break down, if not also enter during the London session lives. All right, y'all. And then if you, again, you click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of August. You scroll to August 1st. It's going to show you how we ended July, 16-5, 76% win rate. You click right here. It's going to take you to the first week of July. And then again, you can see right here how we ended June, July 1st. And if you go to July 2nd, it'll show you how we ended and wrapped up quarter 2. Now, this is the last month of quarter 3. So when September's over, we're going to do the recap of this month, of course, as well as the recap of the quarter. But that's how we did quarter 2. April, we went 16-4, catching 69,396 pips. May, we went 15-4, catching 47,957. And then again, June, we went 13-3, catching 1,006 pips. Ending the quarter 44-11, giving us an 80% win rate, catching a total of 118,359 pips. And again, you can check all this stuff out. First link in the description. We're going to see how this 15 closes. Again, we can see here for the past 30 minutes, price has been just chilling on this level, but struggling to not only break the level, but hold as resistance, which is what we're looking for right now. Everything else, we're just letting it do its thing. We're really just going to be paying attention to GU right now. But if you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. I'm looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Make sure to like the live as you hop up in here and subscribe. We just hit 2,700 subscribers. Let's get to 2,800. So G rejected the level, so it's very simple. We're just gonna let it do its thing. Again, we're still looking for sales. We know we're looking for sales, but we can't make price do what we're looking for, what we wanted to do at that exact moment. We're still looking for sales though. But again, we do got news events popping off today. So again, don't be too shocked or surprised. It was kind of similar to yesterday, where price didn't really do anything until after 8:30. Again, we have 8:15 Euro news, 8:30 Canadian news, and 8:45 Euro news. All right, y'all. Just dropped the video for y'all yesterday. Make sure to check that out. All playlists are up to date. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram, playmaker_way, TikTok _playmaker way_. We got a couple minutes to the next 5 minute pops up. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we looking at charts, drop them in the chat. New 15 and 5 minute popped up. So we're about to see if we can break and hold this level as resistance. So we're really looking at right now. Again, y'all, we got news popping up later on today. We have P15 Euro news, 8:30 USD news, and 8:45 Euro news. Yo, Harvest. Again, if you're in the US, just use a regulated broker. Just use a regulated broker. Like I told you in the beginning of the live stream, is actually better than an unregulated. Just you I put the link in the chat. Where's it at? Watch this video. That video goes over the futures and the Forex broker that I use for my personal accounts. Just use the regulated broker if you're in the US. It's simple. You could hook up your bank account or your card. Deposits and withdrawals are pretty quick, standard couple business days. And then again, the regulated brokers, your money's protected and backed. And then also, just because the leverage is lower does not mean you can't make money. Like I said, the lower leverage is actually good and better, especially when you're a new trader, because again, it stops you from making a mistake most people make, which is over leveraging and blowing their account in 1 to 3 trades. It literally makes it impossible for you to blow your account in 1 to 3 trades because you can only put a certain lot size. It won't let you put, because with unregulated brokers, you can literally risk 98% of your account in one trade if you wanted to, and they won't stop you. You can put the biggest lot size possible as long as you have enough money in your account. But with the regulated brokers with the lower leverage, it helps you slow down. It also stops you from making those big mistakes. All right, I'm telling you, if I believe the other broker was the way to go and things like that, and I had some sauce about that, I'd tell you. But I'm telling you, the things I'm telling you to do is make your life easier. All right, we're about to see if we can hold right here. New 5-minute just popped up. What else we got up going on? Yeah, we can leave all these other charts alone. Those just joined the stream. We have not entered this trade yet. It's just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free stream free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. Any charts? Drop in the chat. He's like GJ's pushing down. We could look for sells here, but it needs to hold 185.35 as resistance for the downtrend to continue. But if it can't hold 186.15 as resistance, you can look for sells going down to 185.45. Could see sells. I gotta see how these candles close. It was like GU's about to try to break this level as well. The problem harvest. Yes, like I said, bro. So again, watch that video. Sign up for the Forex broker. Make a demo account, and then next week, start practicing on your demo account. But again, if you still don't fully understand how to read the charts, a lot of times people don't like to hear this, but again, I'm here to give y'all the blank, cold, hard truth. I'm not like these other, but this ain't shade, this just facts. It is what it is. I'm not like these other pages that are just trying to take y'all's money or tell y'all things that sound good and sound nice. So I'm telling you this right now. This isn't just for you, Harvest. This is for everybody else watching. Because again, you're not the only one that has similar questions. If you still don't fully understand how to read the charts, taking trades on a demo or practicing on a demo can only do so much. It's still good to practice on a demo, but there's steps and levels to it. The first thing you got to do is understand how to read the charts. That means understand how to identify the trend, understand the rules to the uptrend, rules to the downtrend, the signs of a reversal, understand support resistance, understand how to calculate your lot size, understand the risk reward. You need to have a trading plan. And once you have all that stuff, that's just a quick version, but once you have all that stuff down, then that's when you should practice executing a trade. Because again, you can enter buy and sell all day, but if you don't know how to calculate your lot size, you don't have a good trading plan, you're taking terrible risk reward ratio trades, and you just honestly don't understand why price is doing what it's doing, it doesn't really matter. You know, so that's where a lot of people mess up. Well, you know, they watch a few videos, they open up an account, a live account, which is even worse, and then you know they start taking trades, and then you know people get shocked to surprise that they just just threw their money away basically. Again, there's no rush. The last thing you should be doing is trying to rush the process, because that's just going to make it even harder. It's just going to stress you out more, irritate you more. Speaking from experience. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all. B15 just popped up. Let's see what we first look like. Yeah, we can see BJ and what you call them, with GU sales, and look how these are looking right here. Yeah, I like this right here. So yeah, we caught this nice sell yesterday. We broke this down and introduced on yesterday's live stream. So y'all was on yesterday's live stream, y'all could have popped in that with us as well. Yeah, I like how this is looking here. I remember I just sent the signal out. So both GJ and GU are pushing. Again, like I said, if GJ can hold 186.15 as resistance, you can look for sales going down to 185.45, but it's going to need to break and hold this level as resistance for the downtrend to continue. Again, we broke this trade down yesterday, or broke this trade idea down yesterday, entered this yesterday, some of us. And as you can see, it did this move last night. Well, not last night, 2 nights ago, and then it was retracing during London session, and then during New York session after the news, price shot down, did a nice drop. But as you can see, when it retraced back up, it failed to hold this level as resistance, which is why I'm saying for the trend to continue, it's going to hold this level as resistance, continue to push down. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been live since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Hit that first link, check it out for yourselves. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, signaling services on my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. Again, watch any of my YouTube videos, including one I dropped yesterday. The last 2 minutes of all my YouTube videos, I go over all the details of my programs. But of course, you guys got any other questions or got further questions, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. I respond to all the messages. Members, be on the lookout in a few hours for the link. We're going to be going live during the news. We're not going to be live during all the news events, because I got some stuff to do, but we're going to be live for at least one, if not two of them. All right, y'all. And we're going to be back at it same time tomorrow, London session, 3 a.m. EST.